This tutorial will show you how to set up an effect to track multiple faces in the Bear Studio. This is the alien template, which is currently in face space, which means it will only follow the first detected face. So the first thing we need to do is move it to the camera space, because we will be handling face tracking via components. This is normal, don't worry about it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a new empty node and name it face 1. And the reason we are doing this is because the alien object has some transformations on it, which will be cancelled out by the face position component. So we never want to add the face position component directly to this here, because, well, if you do, it will be offset in an unfortunate way. Instead, we would like to parent it to this new face 1 empty object, and then add face position to this object. Now this will track the face correctly, but it is still an automatic face, which is the first detected face, and we want it to always be face number 1, because we will also be adding a face number 2. If the original effect had an offset on the root node, the way to set it up to work with the face component is to select the face tracking node, add a child to this node. We can name it offset. This child would then contain the offset that was originally in the root node. We would remove it from the root node. And then drag your effect under the offset node. In our case, the root node didn't have an offset, so we can remove this. Let's add the second face now. We can rename this to face 2, just for clarity. And the only difference is going to be that we need to select face number 2. And now we only need to test it out.